In this video we're going to look at how to understand mean, mode, median and range. We will then look at a problem that involves working out mean and median. These are key topics that feature in every exam. They are also skills that you will need in your everyday and working life. They help you interpret data and statistics in order to make informed choices. This could end up saving you money. Firstly, what are mean, mode, median and range? Mean is when you add separate pieces of data together and then divide the total by the number of pieces of data. Mode is the most commonly occurring piece of data in a set. It is important to remember that there can be more than one modal number in a set. Median is the middle number once the pieces of data have been put into size order from the smallest to the largest. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest pieces of information in the set. Now let's look at an example of calculating mean and median. You are given a table showing the weekly wages of a garage owner and her 3 employees. You need to calculate the mean and the median weekly wage for all 4 people. Remember that to work out the mean, you need to add all the numbers in the data set together and divide the total by the number of pieces of data. This would be our calculation. 937 plus 242 plus 271 plus 247 equals £1,697. We then need to divide that total by 4 because there are 4 pieces of information. 1,697 divided by 4 equals £424.25. So the mean is £424.25. To work out the median, first put the pieces of information in size order. 242, 247, 271 and 937. Then you need to find the middle number. Because we have an even number of pieces of data, i.e. 4, we add the 2 middle numbers together and divide their total by 2. So 247 plus 271 equals 518, and then divide 518 by 2, which equals £259. The median of the weekly wages is £259. So we have the mean £424.25 and the median £259. Looking at the table, we can see that the median, £259, reflects the average wage of the majority of the workers. The owner's wage distorts the mean and makes it much higher. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've picked up some useful information about how to understand mean, mode, median and range.